5 equal, 5 saman. Service goes to Podasai. 5 equal, 5 saman. Yes. 50-50. Narayanpur versus Podasai. 5-5. Score 5-5. 5 equal, 5 saman. What a match. What a game. Afternoon game. First game. Points are equal. 5 points. Podasai 0.5. Narayanpur 0.5. What a match. What a chasing by Podasai team. This is good game from Podasai grounds. Match is running. Score equal. 5 points. Podasai points 5 and Narayanpur score 5. What a tension match. 50-50. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match from Podasai grounds. Whatever. Service goes to Narayanpur player. Suresh score 5 equal. 5 saman. What a match. What a game. Score equal. 5-5. Yes, big teams, big players, big match. Podasai versus Narayanpur. Score 5-5, 5 equal. Please watch this match. Very interesting match. Challenging match, chasing match. Game is running. Score 5-5. What a shot. What a game. Two team players playing as well. What a taken by player. Podasai player. Yes. What a taken. What a shot. Yes. Narayanpur versus Podasai players. Two team players playing as well. What a match. What a game. Score 5-5. 5 equal. 5 saman. Who is won? Who is lost? Please watch this match. Service goes to Podasai. Score 5 equal. 5 saman. 5-5. Yes. What a match. This is Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Score 5-5. 5 equal. 5 saman. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Match is running. What a match. 50-50. Yes, good players. Two team players playing well. Shots and playing players. What a match. This is afternoon match, first match. Narayanpur versus Podasai match. Score 5 equal, 5 saman. What a shot. Service goes to Podasai. Score 6-5. Score 6-5. What a shot. Score 7-5. Service goes to Podasai. What a chasing by Podasai team players. Score 7-5. Podasai scores 7. Narayanpur scores 5. What a match. What a match. Right, court is change. Service goes to Narayanpur. Score 5-7. Podasai score 7. Narayanpur score 5. What a match. What a chasing by Podasai players. This is good game from Podasai grounds. Narayanpur versus Podasai game. What a match. What a game. This is afternoon match. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Score 7-5. Narayanpur score 5. Podasai score 7. What a playing players, Podasai players. What a racing players. Yes. This is big fight. Narayanpur versus Podasai. Good game. Yes. Players playing well. Right, score 6-7. Service goes to Narayanpur. Score 6-7. What a match. Score 6-7. Score 6-7. Narayanpur score 6. Podasai score 7. What a match. Service goes to Narayanpur. What a match. Afternoon match. This is Podasai grounds. What a match. Big match, I think. What a chasing by Podasai team players. Score 7. Podasai. Score 6. Narayanpur. Yes, players. Two team players playing well. What a match. Scores 7-6. Yes. What a taken by players. Shots taken, timing good. What a taken. Right, service goes to Podasai. Score 7-6. Score 7-6. Service goes to Podasai. What a match. What a match. Score 7-6. Podasai score 7. Narayanpur score 6. What a taken. This is game from Daba volleyball from Podasai grounds. Yes, game is running. Players, two team players playing well. Score 6-7. What a match. This is a good game. Podasai versus Narayanpur match. Yes, match is running. Jirabai versus Devraj match. Score 7-6. What a match. What a game. This is afternoon match. First match, Narayanpur versus Podasai. Home ground Podasai grounds. Score 6-7. What a match. What a game. Afternoon match. Podasai versus Narayanpur. Score 6-7. Narayanpur score 6. Podasai score 7. Match is running. Two team players playing well. But who is won, who is lost? Please watch this match. What a match. It goes to Padasai, score 7-6. Score 7-6. Padasai score 7. Narayanpur score 6. Match is running. Two team players playing well. This is big game from Padasai grounds. Players, two team players, all players playing well. Very interesting match. What a shot! Yes, this is Daba volleyball from Padasai grounds. This is big game, big match. Padasai versus Narayanpur. Score 7-6. What a match. What a game. Game is running. What a taken. Yes, players playing well. Yes, match is running. Good match, good game. Score 7-6. Narayanpur score 6. Padasai score 7. Players, two team players playing well. Narayanpur team players, Padasai team players playing good playing. Yes, what a timing, what a shots, what a takens. This is Daba volleyball from, what a shot. Yes, game is running. Yes, this is Daba volleyball. Match is running. Yes. Match is very cool. This is afternoon match, first match, Padasai versus Narayanpur match. Score 7-6. Padasai score 7. Narayanpur score 6. Match is running. What a game. What a match. What a taken. But out ball.